Beauty blender is just looking at me like, am I a joke to you? So them annoying. The concealer is dry already. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time I'm stopping by, you're very welcome. Thank you for tuning in. If you're tuning back, you are very welcome. So today I'm going to be trying the Scott Bangs technique that he uses on JLo with the tutorial he did with Tati. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I've been seeing a lot of this going around, so I just decided to try the technique. It looks good on some people, funny enough. On some people I can't say the same. So today I'm going to be trying it on myself and let's see how that goes. And mind you, he does most of the process on white people, so as you can see, I'm not white in any way. I'm very dark skinned. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm going to put the clip somewhere around here so you guys see the process of him doing it and me doing it at the same time. So yeah, let's get straight into the video.
Sometimes it is, but not usually. So
Okay,
I'm gonna treat you as though we were doing like.
I can catch up. He didn't prime, he didn't moisturize, but her skin looks moisturized, so I believe her skin was probably moisturized before they started because her skin looks really hydrated. So I'm just going to go in with my moisturizer. This is from Oli Harrington. Okay, so now that I have my moisturizer on, we're going to go straight to the video and start. I'm just perplexed, like I've not started shit. If you can see, you notice that he uses a really bright concealer, like a way lighter concealer than her skin tone. But I'm not going to go that bright because we are not trying to, our ego is trying to be careful. So I'm going to use a bright concealer but still in the melanin range. Like I'm not going to leave melanin to white, you understand, because I've been seeing that a lot. I mean, if he was working on a dark skin, I don't think he would use that concealer so bright. I just think he would use a concealer in the range of the complexion but still brighter. So I'm going to use a concealer that is in my range. So I'm working with this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in C13.
About contouring on top of makeup. Sometimes it is, but not usually. So I'm gonna treat you as though we were doing like a video shoot, music video or something fabulous.
Yeah, you guys,
like
I'm gonna sing for you at the end of this.
Okay, so I'm gonna use all-nighter, right?
Okay.
What I like to do with this is to bring it in, and you just use it to like eliminate stuff. And I'm gonna go in ham, like I'm gonna use makeup. Like I'm not gonna pretend like.
Just drench me. My skin eats makeup. Like
Yeah.
it really does.
I did your makeup once before and it was like that.
You don't use primer?
For what? I don't
What
really.
do you mean for what?
I don't really need
To
it.
fill everything in. Wow, this is a look.
I like the contouring and everything to do the work underneath the foundation so you don't see it. Now, this is everybody's like, where do I contour? So this is always the question.
So he's using a foundation brush to blend out the concealer. So I don't have that foundation brush for some reason. I have it, but it's in a smaller size and it's from BH Cosmetics.
She goes, look, it's like a cat paw.
I love that.
So anyway, what I like to do with it is just kind of blend it out and just working into.
It's just so hard to blend. If it was a beauty blender, it would have been way easier to blend this out. But right now, it's like we're just joking. Beauty blender is just looking at me like, am I a joke to you? Am I a joke to you?
Well, now I have it in action. Yes.
So what I do is just gently, watch, I'm gonna turn your nose just a little bit so that everybody can see this. And and you can do this on yourself, which is very easy, is I blend it up this way, see? And I got really great new lashes. I can't wait to share all this stuff with you.
I know. This is such good timing.
It's so damn annoying because the concealer is dry already. And this is a hydrating concealer, but it is dry already on the spots. Why do you have to do this to us?
I feel like an Avon representative. I'm coming with all new products
Avon
to your
calling.
house.
It's Scott.
And he's literally painting her. So for contour, I'm going to go with my black Opal foundation stick in Ebony Brown.
Jaws. We're gonna come in with the jaws of life.
Ooh, yes. Snatched the house.
So this is what I call, I'm gonna do this look. I actually have named it.
Oh, you named this look?
Yeah, it's called Snatural.
Snatural.
It's snatched, but natural.
I love that so much.
It's kind of like glowy and hoey.
Yes. Where's your merch?
Up with contouring. They over contour and then they drag all this brown into the nose and into the side of the face.
And then they just face tune it later. Just saying.
Which is an issue. Now, the trick to having a fuller lip is not overlining it to death. Okay, I'm decided I'm gonna use some Chanel on you. Ready?
So he's applying a lighter foundation. I'm using this Huda Beauty foundation in Nutmeg. I'm using this BH Cosmetics brush as well.
Situation, for film, for live performance.
At a woman's face and I'm like, okay, how to make you look perfect. You know what I mean? Like that's my...
I get the idea of doing this. It blends the demarcation between the highlight and the contour. So that's how he applies the lighter foundation. But the foundation is lighter than the contour and darker than the concealer.
Okay, so instead of just eliminating that lip, we're just patting over it gently, like that. Ooh. She's there, but she's blended.
When did you discover that technique? Like, really, no one else does
For blush, I really do not have a red lipstick, and that is very, very weird, and that's the weirdest thing you would ever hear. I have lip stains, but I have more lip stains than lip gloss. I don't have lipsticks. I think the only one I have is in like nude or something. But regardless, we're going to be using this JLoGlow Pro Concealer Corrector. It's the orange corrector, and we're going to use that as concealer. Oh, it's even new. Oh!
I love cream. I think that cream works primarily better than powder for a couple reasons. It looks like, oh, she's a little translucent with a tiny tinge of pink in her. And what that does is cancels out any kind of like little bluey, purpley stuff underneath the eye.
Ooh, is that highlight?
Yeah.
For highlights, I'm using the Zaron highlighter palette.
She's gorge. And I'm like one of those people, I just kind of mash everything together.
I'm watching this and I'm like, oh, okay. And somehow it looks so great.
My fan brush, which is like, yay, big fan.
You're a big fan of your fan brush?
Yeah, I'm a fan of the fan brush.
Boom, boom.
Dad jokes. I got dad jokes all
we welcome
day.
that on my channel.
Yeah.
Very much.
Look at your nose.
Oh my God, yeah.
Please, if you haven't, kindly subscribe to my channel now if you're watching, and also give this video a huge thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section of what you think I've done so far. Let's go on.
Not, I'm taking it and out into the edge.
Oh, this is like makeup choreography.
Brows, believe it or not.
Ooh. That's
Pretty.
a nice color.
Yeah.
That's kind of shocking, actually, because it looks very light.
On this.
I love that crease brush. It is pure magic, and it has the right shape to do so much.
It works.
And that's, you know, I was talking about this before, that really...
He's sort of using like a burgundy color, but I don't have that. So we'll just work with what we have.
With this, just so you guys can, I don't know if you can see this or if it helps, I almost work it in a circle. Now, still one color. I just want to keep reminding everyone.
Oh, he back rows. We're wearing Faux, so I'll just... The end of this video, and this is the finished look. Although I couldn't fix lashes because I have semi-permanent Faux on already, and he was doing a whole lot of stuff under the eyes, and I was just tired. I just got tired because the process is so long. Yeah, if you stuck with me to the end, thank you so much for sticking with me and watching this video to the end. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also rate me in the comment section over 10 how you think I did. I will see you guys in my next one.